Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to NEEWER having a Fiat 500 guys. If you need to find where the ignition switch fuse is located, ignition fuse, you actually have two of them. One of them is hidden inside the vehicle, one is outside. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll be demonstrating on a 2015 Fiat 500, but actually it will work on multiple years Fiat 500 that generation. Also make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test the fuses and not to just assume that it's a good or a bad fuse. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So we specifically have 2015 Fiat 500, as I said. That's what we have right here guys. Now this is the Abarth, but even if you have a non-Abarth version, procedure will be about the same. So when we come inside guys, okay, right here, check it out. You come inside, the fuse, the first fuse that we need to check is actually hidden under the dash guys, under the dash. So if you come right there, okay, and you look, that's the fuse box, okay, next to the clutch pedal on our car guys. And the fuse that we need to check for the ignition is that fuse known as F31, and it's that 5M fuse right here. That's one of the fuses that we need to check. Now there is one more fuse that we need to check outside guys, but before we continue, let me tell you a little bit guys where you can get cheap fuses from. The whole box, you will get it for the price of just paying for 2 or 3 fuses. You get free fuse pull, multiple fuses, and it's important to always test the fuses that you remove, because it may look like a good fuse but it's actually not a good fuse. And what can happen in that case, you may go ahead, okay, put the fuse back in because you think it's good, and you end up spending quite a bit of time and money trying to fix a problem where you just had a bad fuse. And we're going to put a link in the description of the video below that explains how to test the fuse guys, so check it out. Now let's go ahead, support the hood. Here we have one more fuse guys, okay, that we need to check, okay, right here. And in order to do that, we need to remove that bolt here that we pre-loosened, okay. So let's go ahead, get it out. Now you grab that cover and you slide it, okay, straight out. Now good thing is you actually guys have the fuse numbers printed on this side, but the bad thing is you actually don't know what the fuses are for, and they don't go in order. It's, for instance, this is fuse 7, 1, 4, 5, 6, 83, 3. So the fourth fuse from top to bottom will be fuse F03 guys. And if you look, that's a big fuse, that's a mega fuse. Come right here, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4. That 20M fuse, that's the one for the ignition as well guys. That's the one that you need to check. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy replacement ones from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.